Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fontspring for licensing needs, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Fontspring for your licensing needs, begin by visiting the Fontspring website. Once there, locate the sign up or register button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form that requires your information. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter your password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Now, fill in your first and last name as requested. Provide any additional details, such as your company name, if applicable. Make sure to review Fontspring's terms of service and privacy policy. You may need to check a box confirming that you agree to these terms. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button to submit your registration. You will likely receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open your email and look for the message from Fontspring. Click on the verification link provided in the email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Fontspring website. Log in using your registered email address and password. Now that you are logged in, you can explore Fontspring's extensive library of fonts. Browse through different categories to find the fonts that meet your licensing needs. When you find a font you like, click on it to access its details. Review the licensing options available for that particular font. After choosing a font, click on the Add to Cart button. Proceed to checkout once you are satisfied with your selection. Enter your payment information to complete the purchasing process. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation of your order. You can now download your licensed fonts directly from your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with Fontspring's licensing guidelines. This will ensure that you use the fonts correctly according to their terms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.